Today we're doing the... Where are we near? Today we're at Elie doing the Ellie Chain walk. It's about 0.5k of a route that goes around the cliffs just off the coast. It's all lined up with chains. You don't connect, it's free to do, and you just pop along. There's a parking area in the map that'll pop up just now that you can park at for free, and it's about a 20-minute walk just to get to the start of it along a really nice beach as well. So the time stated by the wee sign that's behind me says about 1 to 3 hours. We'll see how we get on, given the fact we're fairly fit young men, and we do a wee bit of climbing as well, so hopefully we'll get around fine, even stopping for some filming. But we'll look through it and see how it goes. There's also a couple of caves, and I should mention I totally stole this video off another YouTuber who I'll credit down below because I can't remember his username. That's us finished the path. Took us about an hour, which was with a bit of pissing about, really. Yeah. It was good fun though, I enjoyed it.
It was alright, yeah. Company was alright.
Company was fantastic. Kids would manage it, no problem.
Oh yeah, easy. There's a couple of hairy bits, but...
Yeah, but it'd be fun for them. It's worth a wee trip out. Scenery's lovely as well, so yeah, I'd come back.
Yeah, definitely.
Awesome. Hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, blah blah blah.